Hello everyone, I am Ritik Yadav, and in this video I am going to teach you one of the very famous question. The college board love this question because it has appeared many times in the real DSAT question. Okay, so I am going to do similar type of question. So hope you understood. So now what the question has told us: 5x plus 7y equals to 8, 30x plus 42y equals to 48. There is two equation given and each real number are also given, and told us which of the following points lie on the graph of each equation in the xy plane for the given equation. So guys, by looking the answer choice, you may find or look like it is a type of very hard and it will take a lot of time, but in reality it is not that so hard if you do in the Desmos. So how I will do, just look here. I'll just simply copy the equation 5x plus 7y equals to 8 and 30x plus 42y equals to 48, and as you can see that these two lines or these two equation okay, so these two equation has infinite many solution, which means these two equation are same. Okay, and now we'll check which option choice lies on this line. Okay, so what we'll do simply here, r comma minus 5r plus minus 5r upon 7 plus 8 upon 7. So we just simply copied from the answer choice. Now we'll put r as any of the number and we'll check whether it is lying on the line or not. So as you can see here, this line is absolutely only going around the line. Okay, it is not diversifying or diverting to the another line. So this must be our answer. Okay, so what I will do in exam, I'll just tick the answer not choice number A and I'll move to the another question. But while doing practice, you just need to confirm again and check other option as well. So I have already checked other option which are not matching, and the option choice A is perfectly matching and which is also our answer. So I hope you guys liked this video and understood. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.